Do you wish to get away from high-paced world, from your everyday routine? Go on to a soul journey while being surrounded by peaceful natural haven. Then this unique event at Trogir might be right what you need. Surrounded by peaceful nature and Adriatic Sea, this place is filled with spiritual and cultural heritage. By allowing yourself to go onto a retreat, you create conditions for yourself to deepen your insights. Work that is done here is done in groups, which amplifies the energy and allows for more powerful insights and experiences. You will be guided by our teachers that selflessly share their vast knowledge, special unheard. Maharishi tapes, Maharishi Yoga Asanas, Maharishi Gem Light Therapy, and so much more.
You can remain in the familiar comfort of your daily routine,
or choose to step into the unknown.
embrace the adventure of this soul journey.
Be part of this special gathering. Discover yourself.